Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 52 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT 1/8 scale madmax car from our good old friends over at Hachette. Now, if you'd like to grab this beautiful iconic car and build one of these along with me, pop to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can be building one of these. Let's have a quick scope through this week's magazine and see what we're up to today. We are doing valve covers today, nice and simple. Got the left and right valve cover. We got the spark plug wire holders ×2 up there, black oil filler cap, blue oil filler cap, and some PS14 screws. And this is where they're going to be going on our Falcons when we start the engine build up, folks. Simple instructions, popping the valve cap on, simple one screw process on each side. We'll then be putting in the combs for the spark plug wires on each of these, locating in the little tabs. And this is what we're going to end up with at the end of this issue, folks, a pair of valve covers, okay? Nice and easy for us this week. We got the Lotus Cortina, the history of the Ford Falcon this week, and yeah, it created a fast Ford bloodline that continued to the Focus RS. It was an instant sensation that caught the zeitgeist perfectly. Luckily for me, there's a fella not too far away from me restoring a Lotus, i.e. one of these cream, white and green. And yeah, absolutely nut and bolt restoration he's doing on that. And yeah, he's doing a grand job. So yeah, look forward to seeing it fully finished. There's racing car driver there, Jim Clark and Colin Chapman, waving at the crowds at Brands Hatch after he won the British Grand Prix in 1964. Two iconic legends of British motorsport there. Sadly no longer with us, bless them both. So that's the magazine done, so we'll sit and assemble those and get them ready, and then obviously next time we'll be looking at doing the upper part of the cylinder block and manifold for the engine, folks, okay? Right, let's grab our rockers, like so, our valve covers, making sure that we're getting them the correct way. Yeah, go. That way, goes that way, they look the same. Right, cool. 52D, so let's grab that. And that is going in there, like so. So let's just press that in. And that's getting retained with a PS14 screw. So let's grab one of them. Like that, bit of oil. And don't over screw these, folks, because we are going into plastic and it will chew out the threads. You don't want to do that. So literally, as soon as it nips, stop. So let's make sure we got the right one. 52A is the right hand side. Yeah, so we're good. So I'm happy with that. So that's on that. And then we want the left hand side one, just check. L stamped in the middle. And we want to put the blue cap in that one. So they can only go the one way. On these, got a little woodruff key that sits on the side there. So that will go in like that. Another PS14 screw on the end of the old screwdriver room. Little dab of oil. And then again screw that home as well. Making sure we don't over tighten. So that's that done. We can now look at putting in the cones, folks, okay? So that's the little spark plug combs. I've got a little channel cut into them, so let's see which way they orientate. So we want to do it like that, straight in, and then the same on this one, like that. Bosh, have you some of that. That's what we want. So that's them in situ, and that's both of those complete now, folks. Left and right covers, looking rather swanky. So we'll leave that there. That is literally it today, I'm afraid. So if you'd like to grab one of these and build along with me, this iconic 1/8 scale Ford Falcon, head over to the Hachette website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building one of these Ford Falcons. Also, to help me out, if you click little fester in the corner and hit the subscribe button, helps me out massively, grows the channel, keeps it coming. Ring the bell whilst you're there and select all to be notified of upcoming content. If you're on the mobile app, give it a little scrolly over on the carousel where the thumbs up button is. Just scroll along until you see the word hype and hype the video for me. It just pushes the video out there to YouTube world and lets other people come and see me as well, folks. It really helps me out. So if you can do that, if you're on the mobile app, I'll be immensely happy. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye-bye.